Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video we will discuss about the quantum numbers. There are four types of quantum number. So before starting the video, please subscribe the channel. Now first quantum number is the principal quantum number. So what is the principal quantum number? So it is denoted by n. So what is the principal quantum number? So basically principal quantum number is defined as the number which define the energy level and the shells in which the electron is moving or revolving. So basically we have learned that there are different types of cells in an atom. So the first one is n equals to 1, it is denoted as k shell, and so on for 2, 3 and 4. The shells is named as L shell, M shell and L shell. So on the basis of number of shell we can define the principal quantum number. Okay, so the second one is the angular momentum quantum number. So this defines the shape of the subshells present in the main shell. For S the shape will be like this, then P, D and F. For P there will be the shape, for D, and for F like this, then P, D and F. For P there will be the shape, for D and for F. Now we have to define the difference between the N and the L value. Relation between N and L. So if the value of N is equals to 1, then the shell will be the K and the L value is equals to 0. Okay, so on the basis of this relation we can find out the number of L values. For second one we have for N equals to 2 means L shell, and there we are having 2 subshells means 0 and 1, and 0 is for S and 1 is for P. So S, P, D and F are identified on the number 0, 1, 2 and 3. So with the help of this table we can identify the relation between the principal quantum number and angular momentum quantum number. Okay, so suppose we are taking an example 2p. Okay, here the n is the principal quantum number and p's value is 1, so that's why the value of L is equals to 1. So I hope you can understand the relation between the n and L value. Okay, now next we have to define the third quantum number, which is known as magnetic quantum number, and also it is denoted as ml. So it is denoted as the H subshell, and it goes from +0 to -0, and the number of orbitals is 1. Similarly for n equals to 1, the value will be P, and it goes from +1 to -1, and there are +1, 0 and -1, means there are 3 orbitals in the L equals to 1 value. Lastly, n equals to 2 means D, and we have to go to +2 to -2, +2, +1, 0, -1, -2. So means there are 5 orbitals in the D subshell, and each orbital contains 2 electrons. Okay, means कोई भी एक orbital होगा, so we can maximally fit 2 electrons in one orbital. Okay, the fourth one is the electron spin. This 1s orbital, in this there are 2 electrons. So the first electron is in the upward movement and the second electron is in the downward movement. So the upward movement electron is having plus half value, and for the downward value we are having minus half value. Okay, so each orbital contain 2 electrons maximally. Only take an example based on the all the 4 quantum numbers. So the example is 2p5, and we have to calculate the value of n, value of l, mn, and last one is ms. So इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पिन जो है उसको हम ms से भी डिनोट करते हैं. Okay. Now, first of all, the value of principal quantum number is equals to 2. The value of L is equals to 1, which goes from plus 1, 0 and minus 1. Now, the value of Ml.
So the value of Mn is 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth one is entered, and the last one is entered in the 0. So that's why the value of Ml is equals to 0. Now the spin is in the downward movement, so that's why the spin number is minus half. ओके, सो आई होप आपको ये सारे क्वांटम नंबर्स समझ में आ गए होंगे, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.